Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you this new pre-launch condo that is located in Bandar Sri Permaisuri. You have a big size, that means it's 1000 square feet to 1600 square feet, options of 3 to 4 rooms. So here we are able to walk to LRT station within 500 meters. If you are new here, my name is Annabelle. I'm actually going to review this location to you, so come and join me. The community township here is already very matured, peaceful with plenty of shops, schools and hospitals around. We are blessed with lakes, and here our most famous lake is the Taman Sri Permaisuri. Here you need to walk 500 meters to the LRT Cheras Station, means we are 2 stops to the TRX Station, 3 stops to Pavillion or Bandar Malaysia Stations. This will all be available after MRT Line 2 is available. Hi, welcome. Before you come in, smash the like button for the algorithm. And welcome. Welcome to our this unit. At first glance, you can see that there's an island table right here, and this amount of space you can imagine you can fit in so many things. And plus on top of that, we have this 6-seater dining table, so there is a lot of space in the dry kitchen. So we have our huge kitchen area, we have our top and bottom kitchen cabinet, and then we have our kitchen hood and hob. So we'll join in and come and see a yard. And you know, for yard, the most important is space. So we can see that we are facing the void area, the amount of air will be coming in, imagine. And then you are able to see the ceiling height, the amount of space you can hang your clothes on, or you can put your washing machine here. Hey, so this is the living room. So you could see that the living room here is 10.8 feet tall and 12 feet wide. And there's a lot of space. It's like, because here we already taken up the balconies. If you're a person who is lazy of taking care of the balcony, then this is for you, because the whole living room is taken out from the dining to the balcony. So come, I'll bring you to the master room. Welcome to the master room. That is where the magic happens. So we see you can fit in the whole king size bed. And our king size bed, we can include your sofa, your table, all this. And you can notice that our windows, right, is like full L shape. You can imagine at night, like you have the panoramic scenery of the whole Chaos City. So come, I'll show you the cabinet. So you can see here is a walk-in cabinet. You can ample amount of space with. You have the dressing table, and next time if you want to put more makeup, and you have your toilet. So toilet here, one thing I would like to emphasize is our house is full up, and we usually will provide everything, all the basic things. So we can move into the other 3 rooms. Okay, hi. So this is our second bedroom. So after our master bedroom, here you can notice we have the full length window as well. Hold that thought. So we have our queen size bed, you can fit in here, including of the cabinet. So much space here. Welcome to our third bedroom. Here we can see that we also have another full size window panel. So imagine your first master bedroom, your second bedroom, and your third bedroom all have full size. So inclusive of the living room, all of us are able to enjoy the panoramic view of the whole Chaos City. So you can see that there's ample amount of space. If you have your grandparents, you have your parents staying over and don't want so much trouble, you have your attached bathroom here, cabinet, and you have another queen size bed. And that is so nice, have such a huge space. So our fourth room here, we are having sort of a study room kind of situation. Here you are able to fit in a single bed together with your cabinet and your study table, or if you have more kids, you are able to fit in a double decker, which is perfectly fine. So I'll bring you to the guest bathroom, because what I would like to emphasize on here, if let's say your guest is coming all the way from your living room to the bathroom, he doesn't need to go through all the way to the end of the alley. They won't invade your privacy. And now we have come to the end of this home tour, and as you have noticed that our master bedroom and the other rooms are all separate, so that means you have the full privacy to yourself. At the same time, kids or your grandparents have the full privacy to themselves. So this is so much need to emphasize in this unit. This is why I love this place. If you like this community, if you like the transport, if you like the nature, the lake in the city kind of concept, this is what you're looking for. Click on the link down below. Come visit us, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!